Hi, my name is Hala, and today I will be walking you through how to manage admin permissions. Now, when you log into CourseKey, you'll see a few different tabs on the left-hand side. You'll click on Management and you'll go to Users. This will show you all of the users at your school. To add admin permissions, what you'll do is click on the name of your user. You'll click User Info at the top of your screen, and you'll click Edit User Info, where the pencil is. Now, by default, all accounts that are not student accounts will be staff accounts. Staff accounts can be elevated to be made as admin accounts. By turning this toggle on, you will make a staff account an admin account. Click Save Changes. Now, that's only the first step. The second step would be to click Schools, to scroll down and to select the different permissions you would like this person to have. So for example, you can give them access to writing reports, maybe changing passwords for students, editing courses, maybe editing or managing locations. It's up to you. You can toggle on the different permissions you would like this person to have. If you would like the person to have all the permissions, you can turn on this main toggle. Now, you'll click Save Changes, and now this user will have all of these permissions that you selected. If you would like to remove permissions, you can always go in here and untoggle these, but just always remember to click Save Changes when you're done. To make an admin no longer an admin and revert them back to a staff account, what you can do is click Account and toggle off this admin toggle and click Save. Now this person will now be a staff account, not an admin account. You can always go in here and change these. These permissions will only apply to staff and to admins. So if I wanted to go to an admin and make an adjustment to their permission, I can go in here, click User Information, click Edit User Information, click Schools, and I can add or remove any permissions as necessary. Lastly, I'll click Save Changes. Let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.